Hi, boys. The ship's a sail on the shore of this uncharted desert isle.
Take that.
Sailmaker Paulson here, working on his newly shaped mane.
You know he's
Testing the stiffness of back.
You know he's gonna get one of us scratching a part of our body.
What is that? What is that scientific test for testing the stiffness of battens, John?
This one's soft.
This one.
Hey, why don't you drop that traveler down, Dave?
Why don't I do that? Woo! Hit that baby's can. Yeah.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh.
No problem. Here you go. Put the traveler up.
Yeah, right here.
He's not on yet.
Oh, it's not up.
What? Oh, gee. Ah! Hey, what? Hey, cut it out! How about a bar?
Home yet? Hey, dudes! Ah! I'm like, Dr. My agent, man, you won't film me without contact.
Main Street Avenue.
Come on, man.
Marcus, Main Street Avenue.
No way. Oh,
So I'm
bring
chilling.
him on. Oh.
Let's do a handshake. Ready? Woo! No, the other way.
You know. The hell are you filming, Dave? Sail?
The rushing water
Oh,
as it goes by.
oh.
Your roommates today, Your roommates today.
Oh boy.
There's Betsy.
He's a wench. That's true. That's what I said, America. Betsy is a wench. Not a winch. A wench. But she takes a turn every time.
Let's see that traveler action, John.
Focusing on the car.
Oh, yeah.
There, I'll make it nice and smooth. Oops. That's it.
Nice.
That's it for the show.
Like
Close up.
Trim.
Ease, Mark. Ease. Yeah.
What are we doing wrong?
Why is he moving on?
Now I'm trying to trim a little more.
And that's who we're trying to beat, guys.
That's good. That's good.
Doesn't look like it.
Well, he's with him. He's sailing up.
Yeah,
Head
he is.
down your back.
Fucked up at a mark.
Okay.
Mark.
We fucked up at a mark.
Okay.
Major.
A mark's a little thing that we turn
The
around.
little orange thing?
And now we're way back here. It'll be funny. But at least we're not way back there.
Actually, we're doing this all for your benefit so you can see what a fleet looks like.
Pretty rad, huh? If this turns out, I'm gonna be really psyched. Huh? Head cam.
Does anybody see the committee boat? See the flags? You, Carol? See any flags in the committee boat?
Hope we get Harbinger.
Oh, right through the fucking grass. Whoa. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, we are, but we're in the grass. Let's see what happens. Out of here.
Like a black camera. I think Dave's waiting with a beer for me there.
Where's he at? There's Dave.
Later, guys. Start racing match lasers, match racing. That boat ain't just ugly, it's fugly.
I got you. The boat was hideous, man. Why buy a boat if it looks like that?
Because it's affordable.
At least my boat's got a stove, man. May not be fast.
No, it's not. Catalina's aren't bad. You know?
No.
You make a mess out of that guy.
Yeah, that's true.
Maybe double it with 50 times the weight.
Look at all those windows, man. That's bad. Where is it? You can sit out on the patio furniture, drink beers.
Rolling, rolling, keeping doggies rolling.
Oh, look, Tompkins on the helm.
Woo! Tompkins! Woo! Tompkins!
Arr, arr. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on. You take this.
Bring your protest by the clubhouse.
Okay. Huh?
Get the valve.
I'll get it.
Did you get one of these in the library or a bookstore or something like that?
Stanley Club can get up to $4.
Sure, cool. I got nice Liz to order. Or
$4.
Ah, now there is a sailing ship.
Might be a number, but I'm thinking
Where is Pippi Longstocking? Is she aboard? Man, we're coming in awfully fast.
We don't even have our fingers, our bumpers out.
No,
We're
they're
still going. We're still going.
yeah, we'll be right at Charleston. Yeah, that's what we said. We said, and the rule book says, you finish coming from the last month.
Right.
And well, basically what happened, we finished. They said, oh no, you didn't finish. You got to go back around. And we were quite
Finished up when?
They said we should have rounded. Okay, the pin, the committee boat was on the left side of the line. They said we should have rounded the pin as if it was a leeward mark, and we could have sailing the rest of the course and then finished. That's what we said, and we.
We'll get that in writing
we had some
from you?
words about it.
Well, we've been through protests doing that.
So then Dave Eastman finished, he had to see it. I didn't see anything in the indicating.
We don't even have our fenders, our bumpers out.
No,
Still
they're
going. We're still going.
You know, when we were at Charleston, yeah, that's what we said. We said, and the rule book says, you finish coming from the last month.
Right.
And well, basically what happened, we finished. They said, oh no, you didn't finish. You got to go back around. And we were
Finished up when?
They said we should have rounded. Okay, the pin, the committee boat was on the left side of the line. They said we should have rounded the pin as if it was a leeward mark, and we could have sailing the rest of the course and then finished. That's what we said, and we.
We'll get that in writing
We had some
from you?
words about it.
Well, we've been through protests doing that.
Yeah. So then according to that, I guess they indicated no one else finished but us, just about. Well, Dave Eastman finished and he had to see it. I didn't see anything in the rule book indicating anything. Yeah, that's what I see. They weren't even sure he ever got out to actually go to the plane.
We're gonna say, fuck it with the pants. No pants tonight.
They, I don't think so. We knew they were. Yeah, they had the short course. They had the short course sign up. And there was no question in our mind they would finish it.
Where's Chris go? There he is. Here he is. There's a postage chair. Hey, we got some strong
Yeah, let's do this now.
Now,
That's a neat.
Wait a second.
I'm about to.
Much or?
No, just been working on this thing, trying to get it
You're,
done.
you're not self-conscious, are you, Mr. Baker?
No.
You alright, John?
Sailing too much today. Although I wasn't turning any winches.
I can't wait to go home and watch this video, man. This is bad. I'm having more fun with this thing this weekend than I was sailing. I could have had a lot more fun with anything than I had sailing. When you get right down to it, that was